got the rim on this side was rusted out. You could stick a football through the hole. And that year for Christmas, I bought Daddy a new rim, new tire, new shoes, and everything.
Wow.
Yeah. Funny thing, he thought he wasn't getting nothing for Christmas because he wasn't that under the tree. After everybody got done, I said, Daddy, I forgot to tell you, yours is out there on the porch. I said, it was so big I couldn't rack it. I wish you could have saw the expression on his face.
Yes, I bet. I guess he was happy about that.
Yeah, and then the next year for Christmas, I bought him a new carburetor.
Yeah. How cool.
Daddy bought the front tire.
Yeah.
My brother built the motor in for it.
Oh yeah? You did good. Sounds good.
And then after me and Daddy had been saving up enough to buy parts to fix it. We've been buying parts to put them up. And then after Daddy died, my brother come down and said, I told Daddy I'd get him to fix that tractor. He said, I'm going to start it. And he started that spring.
Yeah. Got in the mud, didn't you?
Yeah, it's a little muddy out there.